Hello viewer, welcome to Chavez Online Maths. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to toss a coin. So, look at the question on the board. The question says, suppose a coin is tossed 3 times. Present the sample space using 3 diagrams. Then the option B says, find the probabilities distribution of the total numbers of head and cumulative distribution. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching my video for the first time. So option A, say present the sample space using 3 diagrams. So A, and remember a coin has a head and tail, head and tail. So find the probability and present the sample space using 3 diagrams. So let us assume this is a coin. This is a coin. Suppose a coin is tossed 3 times. We are going to toss this coin 3 times using a 3 diagram. Then we are going to present the sample space. So this is a coin. This is first toss. If you toss a coin once at first toss, you are going to have a head and tail. So if you toss it for the second time, you still have heads and tails. This is for the second time, second toss. Then the question says we should toss it 3 times. Then this is the third toss. You toss it, you have head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, and head, tail. This is a coin, a tossing of coins in 3 times with the use of a 3 diagram. So let us present the sample space. So the sample space is a possible outcome of this experiment we just performed just now. So in the first row here, this is a sample space here. You have head, 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 head. We have head, head, tail, head, head, tail. We have head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, head. Then we have tail, head, head, tail, head, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, 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 head, tail, tail, head, and tail, tail, tail. This is the possible outcome of this experiment. Then number 2 say find the probability distribution of the total numbers of head and cumulative frequency. So here now we are focusing only the probability distribution of total numbers of head. You look at the first outcome here, head appeared 3 times, 2 times, 1 times, 2 times, 2 times, 1 times, 1 time, and this one there is no head, which is 0. So number B, I can present it in a tabular form. So we have a probability where there is no head, where there is 1 head, 2 head, and 3 head. I can present it in a tabular form like this and like this. This is my S, and this is the probability of numbers of heads. So where do we have 0 head in this possible outcome? It's only 1 place. So we have a 1 all over 8 because the total numbers of a sample is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why so it's all over 8. So how many time do we have one head? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 1 head, 3/8. Then 2 head, we have 1 here, 2, 3. This 3 also 3/8. Then 3, we have 3 head. It's only one time we have 3 head. This is how to find the probability distribution of the total numbers of head. So, and the question continue, and cumulative distribution. So in this tabular form we can find our cumulative distribution of the total number of head that appear in this experiment. I can say cumulative distribution. So you bring this one down, probability of S, this is the first, then you add this one to this 3, we have 4/8. This place now is 4. So this 4 plus 3, you have 7/8, and this 7 plus 1, you have 8/8, which is also can be written as 1. This is how to find the cumulative distribution of So this answer here, our solution, have already satisfied the question. Suppose a coin is tossed 3 times. This is a course. This is a coin. Present the sample space using tree diagram. This is the tree diagram we use to toss a coin 3 times. So this is an experiment, and this is our sample space of the outcome of this experiment. And B, find the probability distribution of the total numbers of heads. Only the total number of heads. We have 3 heads here, 2 heads, 1 head, 2 heads, 2 heads here, 1 head, and no head here. So we have where there's 0 head, where there's 1 head, where there's 2 and 3 head. So we can present it in a tabular form like this. Then this is probability of S. When there is 0 head, it's only 1 head. You have 1/8. Then when there is 1 head, it's 1, 2, and 3. This is 3/8. When there is 2 head, we have 1, 2, 3. That is 3/8. And when there is 3 heads, it's only 1 place, which is 3/8. And the question continue. This is 1/8. And the question continue. Find the cumulative distribution. The cumulative distribution, you bring this one down, then 1 plus 3, we have 4/8. This 4 plus 3, we have 7/8. Then 7 plus 1 is 8/8. And 8 divided by 8, you can break it, then it will give you 1. This is how to find the probability distribution of the total numbers of heads and the cumulative distribution. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.